Shot another rocket. Boom. Look at this. Boom, look at that. Freaking, oh crap. Boom, I'm missing with the rockets. Revelation chapter 21, verse 1 and 8. Swinging. Oh crap, I'm radiant. Look at that. I'll levitate. Boom. Congregants, see, I'm levitating. Look, I look very good. See, look at that. I shot a rocket and a freaking. Revelation chapter 21, verse 1 and 8. Oh crap, I'm missing. I cannot miss. I shot a rocket. Boom, I smashed him. Okay, I got no more rockets left. Look at that. Boom, I did a freaking. I did very good. These guys are struggling, like no kidding. These guys are struggling. Look at that, gunpowder gamble. Look at that, that was all me. That was all me. I showed up all late. That's a barrier champion, you see, watch. Boom! See, that's a barrier champion. Boom, I took him out, elimination. That's a barrier champion right there. Revelation chapter 21, verse 1 and 8. I look very good. That was a barrier champion. Leviticus chapter 20, verse 27. Took him out, too. Took him out. I did very... Oh, I shot a rocket right... Wow, nice. Levitating and disintegration. Okay, here comes the tanks now. Spider-Man. Boom! I did very good. Boom! Punched him. Finisher. Boom! Punched him. Oh, I got me a barrier champion right in front of me. Look at this. Leviticus chapter 20, verse 27. I need more rockets. I need more rockets. My clip is... See? You gotta utilize the wall. You gotta utilize the wall. Crap, I'm freaking... You gotta utilize the wall for your advantage. Punched him. I transcended Revelation. Someone's shooting me down there? Who's shooting me? My clip. I threw transcendent grenade. I'm doing way good. Finisher. Boom, punched him. I think there's a barrier. I got a barrier champion right in front of me. I got no rockets. Okay, I got 2 rockets. I shot. Boom, that's a barrier champion right there. Finisher. Boom. Revelation chapter 21, verse 1. Golden gun right there. I utilized golden gun. Look at that. Nice. Took him out. I shot a rocket right there.